Most people would die in a survival situation not because they lacked resources, but because they didn't recognize what they already had. Right now, in your home, there are at least 20 items that could save your life, and you've been using them wrong your entire life. Stay with me, because number 14 on this list has kept people alive in situations where even trained military personnel gave up. Let's start with something sitting in almost every bathroom in the world. Number 1. Petroleum jelly. You know it as a lip balm or a skin moisturizer. Survivalists know it as liquid gold. Petroleum jelly is highly flammable when spread thin. Take a cotton ball, coat it with petroleum jelly, and you have a fire starter that burns for up to 4 minutes, even in wind and rain. That's enough time to catch even the dampest wood on fire. Store 3 of these in a waterproof bag, and you have a fire kit that weighs almost nothing. Number 2. Dental floss. This one surprises people every time. Dental floss is one of the strongest, thinnest cordage materials you'll find in any home. It won't rot, it resists moisture, and a single strand can hold several pounds of weight. Use it to stitch wounds in an emergency, set snares for small game, hang a shelter tarp, or repair gear. The waxed version is even better. It slides cleanly through materials and ties off tight. Number 3. Duct tape. You already know duct tape is versatile, but most people still underestimate it in a survival context. You can waterproof boots with it, patch a torn rain jacket, make a splint, create a stretcher with 2 poles and strips of duct tape, blister prevention on long walks, mark a trail so you don't get turned around. And here's the one most people don't know. Roll duct tape around a water bottle before you leave the house. It takes up 0 extra space and gives you access to emergency tape anywhere, anytime. But wait, we're just getting warmed up. The next one on this list is something almost every household throws away without a second thought. Number 4. Plastic garbage bags. A heavy-duty garbage bag is a survival multi-tool. Fill it with leaves and it becomes emergency insulation. Stuffed into your jacket, it traps body heat and can prevent hypothermia. Cut a hole in the bottom and wear it as a rain poncho. Use 2 bags to waterproof your backpack. Collect rainwater. Signal for rescue by spreading a bright-colored bag on the ground. In extreme situations, a bag filled with air and sealed becomes a makeshift flotation device. Number 5. Aluminum foil. Standard kitchen foil reflects up to 97% of radiant heat. Wrap yourself in it and you have a primitive emergency blanket. Line the inside of a box with it and angle it toward the sun. You've built a solar cooker. Foil can also be shaped into a makeshift bowl for boiling water, used to signal rescuers from miles away, and pressed around wounds as an emergency sterile wrap. Number 6. Tampons and sanitary pads. Set aside assumptions for a second. These items are sterile and highly absorbent. In survival medicine, a tampon becomes a wound plug, designed to absorb blood. A sanitary pad is a wound dressing. The packaging itself is a fire starter because it's waterproof and flammable. Some survivalists carry these as dedicated first aid items. Here's where it gets interesting. The next few items are things you probably have multiple of, and you've never once thought about what they could do under pressure. Number 7. Condoms. Unlubricated condoms are genuinely one of the most useful survival items in existence. They can hold up to 2 liters of water. Stretched over the muzzle of a firearm, they keep moisture and debris out without affecting the shot. Use one as a tourniquet, as a sling for rocks, as waterproof protection for fire-starting materials. A single condom weighs almost nothing. Number 8. Zip ties. Strong, lightweight, and faster to use than rope in an emergency. Zip ties can stabilize a broken tent pole, hold a splint in place, repair broken gear straps, create improvised handcuffs, and secure tarps. Carry a handful of assorted sizes. They're worth more in an emergency than they have any right to be. Number 9. Hand sanitizer. The alcohol content in most hand sanitizers, typically above 60%, makes it highly flammable. It ignites easily and burns long enough to catch tinder. Hand sanitizer is your backup fire accelerant. It's also genuinely useful as a disinfectant for wounds. Number 10. Crayons. Here's the one nobody sees coming. A standard crayon burns for approximately 30 minutes. The paraffin wax was designed to be stable and slow burning. In an emergency, a crayon becomes an emergency candle. Kids art supply. Emergency light source. We're at the halfway point, and the next section is where things get genuinely life-saving. These are the household items that have documented survival stories behind them. Number 11. A mirror or CD disc. Any reflective surface can be used to signal rescuers. A mirror or old CD disc flashing in sunlight can be seen from miles away, even from aircraft. Survivalists have been found because of a simple signal mirror. If you're ever lost in open terrain, this trick alone could save your life. Aim the reflection at any aircraft you see. Keep flashing until you get a response. Number 12. Safety pins. More useful than almost anything else on this list by volume to use ratio. Safety pins can close a wound when sutures aren't available. Repair torn clothing to maintain insulation. Create a makeshift fish hook. Attach gear to a pack. Create a makeshift fish hook. Attach gear to a pack. Number 13. Bleach. Unscented household bleach, specifically 6% sodium hypochlorite, can purify water for drinking. 8 drops per gallon of clear water, stir, wait 30 minutes. That's the formula. It's the same principle used in water treatment facilities. If you ever face a situation where you have water but aren't sure it's safe, bleach is the answer. Know where yours is. Know the ratio. This one piece of knowledge has saved lives in disasters around the world. Number 14. A crayon. Again. No, wait. Tampons and snow. Actually, let's talk about the item that keeps appearing in survival stories that professionals don't expect. Number 14. Lip balm. Petroleum-based lip balm. Same properties as petroleum jelly, but in a convenient tube. Use it on exposed skin to prevent windburn and frostbite. Apply it to a cotton ball and use it as a fire starter. Rub it on metal zippers, buckles, and tools to prevent rust and seizing. Use it to lubricate a knife blade. In extreme cold, it can prevent goggles from fogging. Number 15. Wire coat hangers. Stiff, shapeable, and surprisingly strong. A coat hanger can be straightened into a roasting skewer, bent into a hook for hanging gear, shaped into a makeshift saw frame, used as a structural brace inside shelters. In a vehicle breakdown, it can manipulate components under the hood in ways your hands can't reach. Number 16. Newspaper. Crumpled newspaper is one of the best insulating materials available, and most people never think about it. Stuff your jacket or sleeping bag with crumpled newspaper and the trapped air creates thermal insulation against cold. It's the same principle behind high-end sleeping bag materials. Newspaper also makes excellent tinder, can be shaped into logs, and can be used as signaling material when set alight. Number 17. Superglue. Medical-grade cyanoacrylate, which is functionally identical to household superglue, is used by surgeons to close lacerations. In a field emergency, clean a wound, press it closed, and apply superglue in thin layers. It's not a long-term solution, but it can stop bleeding and reduce infection risk. Number 18. Socks. Put a rock in a long sock and you have a weapon capable of disabling an attacker. Fill a sock with warm coals wrapped in foil and you have a hand warmer. Use a sock as a water pre-filter by pouring water through it to remove sediment before chemical treatment. A dry pair of socks is more important than almost any other piece of clothing. Wet feet lead to blisters, then a cascade of problems. Carry an extra pair, always. Number 19. Reading glasses or any lens. Any convex lens can focus sunlight into a point hot enough to ignite tinder. On a clear day, this technique can start a fire in under a minute. The same concept works with ice shaped into a lens. If you've never practiced this, practice it once in a safe environment. You will never forget that it works. Number 20. Plastic water bottles. Beyond storing water, they can purify it. A process called SODIS, solar disinfection. Leave it in direct sunlight for 6 hours. The UV light kills pathogens. A plastic bottle also floats, making it a flotation aid and signal device. Cut the bottom off and use it as a funnel. Melt the plastic to seal cuts and other materials. The list keeps going. Here's the truth that ties all of this together. Survival is not about having the right gear. It's about understanding properties. The people who survive are those who can look at a garbage bag and see a raincoat, look at dental floss and see rope, look at a crayon and see light. The knowledge in this video costs you nothing to carry. Zero weight, zero space. But in the right moment, it is worth everything. Go through your home today. Identify these items. Because the difference between a bad situation and a fatal one is often just one piece of information you had or didn't. I audit the market so you don't have to. Your move.